Hi there, I wanted to take a look at the rubric feature in Google Classroom. So what I've done is I've created an assignment. It just was a basic Google document. I created a rubric that looks like this. And the neat part is when I go to student work and the student has completed the work, right here on this part is the rubric. So this is a 4 out of 4, 3 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 1 out of 4, 0 out of 4. So it'll make your life easier for 0 to 4 grading. So now you're wondering, how did I create that rubric? So in my demo class, I went to classwork. I'm going to create an assignment. I'm just going to do demo rubric assignment. Now over here, so you have to put a title in. Over here, I'm going to click on rubric and I'm going to do create rubric. So you only have to do this rubric one time. I then went and found the conversion chart for the standards grading, the 0 to 4 standards grading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a description. This is the standards grading. And this is the, I'm just going to write 0 to 4 rubrics scale. So the first one here is I'm going to do 4 points, taking this right off the sheet. Exceeds grade level standards. The description says meets all aspects of the assignment. And I'm going to hit the plus sign. This is going to be 3. I'm going to go ahead and fill all these in. Okay, so as you can see, I filled in all of the requirements and the language that we're using for the 43210. This is my own words here because the rubric that the standards grading did not provide that. So then I'm going to go ahead and click save. So now I have this rubric here, and I could assign this to the students. If you are using the gradebook feature of Google Classroom, make sure you pick a category and the points here. So now even we are only grading out of 0 through 4, so I might just change this right away to not confuse students. I can create a topic if I want to. So I'm going to go ahead and assign. So now say students have completed that assignment, I can create another assignment. I'm going to name this demo rubric number 2. I can now add a rubric, and right now I have the option to reuse a rubric. And so as you can see, I just click on this one because that's the one I just created. It adds my rubric there, and I'm going to, change the category, change the point values back to 4, create a due date, a topic. I can assign that to them. So now just to go back, I had one student do this, so I'm going to click on him. So I'm looking at this and I'm reading through my rubric, and I think he deserves a 1 because he capitalized some letters. So then up here, see how this was the 100? We want to make sure that we change that back to the 4. And that is how you score with the rubric in Google Classroom.